Good evening, this is Jan. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm gonna make duck à l'orange, the classic French recipe. That is duck in orange sauce. Here I got 280 grams of duck breast fillet. Now that is what I call a nice amount of poultry. The first step is to score the duck skin. Not too deep, just the skin. Make sure you not cut into the meat crosswise. And the idea is to let the fat render out of the duck so that it can cook in its own fat. And also some seasoning, a little bit of salt and black pepper. Quite a lot, as always. In a cold pan, I place the duck skin side down, and this we're going to fry for 6 minutes, and then I'll flip it. Fat is rendering out of the duck perfectly. It's flipping down. This needs only 4 more minutes. The duck is ready. Just leave the duck to rest. The next step is the sauce. So we glaze the pan. With some chicken stock. Adding a little bit of cornstarch to make the sauce thicker. Plus the most important ingredient, orange marmalade. Now you can use fresh oranges, orange juice. I'm going to use orange marmalade. A little bit of salt and black pepper. Plus quite an amount of gold black. Just to make the orange sauce more creamy. First I will slice the duck into quite thick parts. You can see it's still pink on the inside. Now this looks beautiful to me. Here I got some haricot vert. Place the pieces of duck next to those green beans. And the final step is to pour the orange sauce just a little bit over the duck. And around. it's time to eat, my favorite part of the video. Now that is tender duck meat. Beautiful, like medium rare almost, because it's still quite pink on the inside. Crispy skin. And that orange sauce. I love the sauce. And a duck. My favorite poultry. Good combination with the green beans, the haricots verts. That skin of the duck is very thick, really. The fat provides much extra flavor, which is good. The sauce is not too sweet. Perfect with the duck. I love this stuff. So I want to thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.